Hello everyone, welcome to K2A Learning. This session is about what is an app and building an app in Salesforce. Hopefully, this will be one of the many sessions you will attend about Salesforce. So now let's define an app. An app is a collection of items that work together to serve a particular function. Or we can also say that an app is nothing but a container which contains in it a name, a logo, and an order sets of tabs. Salesforce apps are of two types, classic apps and lightning apps. Classic apps are created and managed in Salesforce Classic, while lightning apps are created and managed in Lightning Experience. We can customize both types of app to match the way our users work. So now what is classic apps? Classic apps are the collections of standard and custom tabs. It includes most of the standard objects like home, chatter feed, groups and people. It also includes your organization's custom objects, Visualforce tabs, Lightning component tabs and web tabs. I know words like object, Visualforce, components are being tough to understand by you now, but I'll explain all these later. Second one is Lightning apps. As the name suggests, it is for Lightning Experience. These are the collections of items that include everything from the classic app list, also the Lightning page tabs and the utilities like Lightning Dialog. In Lightning apps, we can customize the app's logo and can enhance its branding by customizing the color of the navigation bar. So we can also upgrade classic apps to the Lightning app in Lightning Experience. But we should keep in our mind that the two versions of the app must be managed separately in their own environments. We are already logged in Salesforce. Here we are in home page. So we will go and click setup. To create an app, we will go in build, create. There you will get apps. Click apps. Or click setup, and here you will find quick find search menu. Type here app, go to app section, click app. Here you can see all the standard Salesforce app, but we are going to create our custom app, so we will click on new. Here we will get an option to create an app as custom app or console. We are generally going to provide our custom app, but the second option is console. The console application is for Salesforce UI as console. Console applications are intended to enhance the productivity by allowing everything to be done from a single tabbed screen. So click custom app, just click next. Now it will give an option to write the app's name label. So we are going to prepare a recruiting app. So I am going to type recruiting as app label. Now the label which we wrote here recruiting, it's already came in app's name. See, we are seeing here red mark. Red mark means that it is mandatory field. So it is necessary to write the mandatory field. In description there is no red mark, so it's not mandatory, but it's a good practice to provide description what your app is going to do. So I'll write the description as if like this is a recruiting app. Now click next. After clicking next, you will get an option to create your own logo, your custom logo. See here it is already Salesforce 18 logo, but I'll just insert my own image. To insert an image, firstly you should keep in mind that your image size should be smaller than 20 KB. Now you can Insert your custom app logo. So I'll click and insert an image. After clicking, I'll get an option for document folder. This I have already downloaded in my document folder with named logo. So I'll click logo. Now my logo has been downloaded. Just keep one thing in your mind, that your logo should be smaller than 20 KB. Now click next. Now you will get an option to include the tabs in your custom apps. But I don't want any tab, so I'll just select home and I click next. Now you will get the option to assign it to profiles. It is mandatory to assign your profile as a system administrator. But by now I am assigning all the profiles to be visible so that each and every profile can use our app. Now click save. Once you will click save, your recruiting app is now in the list of all the standard apps plus your custom app named recruiting. You can also see your recruiting app. Just go in sales. There will be drop down menu. You will get your recruiting app. Click your recruiting app. So now you are in your recruiting app. You can see the tab which we have selected as home tab is here, and also the logo which is here. Let's wrap up this session. Thank you for watching this video.